correct biology. Within this video, I am going to teach you how you can solve dihybrid cross using a simple fork line method. Okay, so we are not going to use Punnett square method. It will be lengthy, but here I am going to teach you how you can solve trihybrid cross. Even you can solve dihybrid cross, okay, by using simple fork line method. Now you must be knowing what is trihybrid cross. In monohybrid cross, we are going to select one character at a time. In dihybrid cross, we are going to select two characters at a time. In case of trihybrid cross, we are going to select three characters at a time. So let us suppose we are going to select three characters. Okay, three characters. Okay, now here if you are going to select three characters, okay, that's one we are going to have height, okay, another flower color, okay, and the third one, let's select pod shape. Okay, now height, here it can be in the pea plant, it can be tall, it can be dwarf. Okay, capital T for tall and small t for dwarf. Okay, the flower color, okay, here it can be violet and small v for white. Okay, so it can be violet, white, and if you see the pod shape here, it can be full, okay, and I am taking small f for constricted. So here the pod shape, okay, it can be full or it can be constricted. Okay, within the pod you are going to see the seeds. Okay, so here we have selected three characters, one height, flower color, pod shape. Yes, in the case of dihybrid cross, what we are going to see, we are going to make Punnett square, then we are going to solve this. But here we are not going to use Punnett square method, because try to think when you are going to select two characters, okay, we are going to make Punnett square of 16 squares. Okay, okay, 4 into 4. 4 types of gametes are produced. Okay, 4 by 4, you are going to have 16 Punnett square. But if you are going to select three characters, number of gametes will be produced. Okay, 4 divided by 4. Okay, 4 type. Okay, and then the Punnett square will be formed 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, it will come out 64. Okay, it will be slightly lengthy, but by using fork line method, you can easily solve this. Now, be with me and learn this method. Now, here, let's, the first character, okay, we write like this, tall, then dwarf, okay, then here let's put capital T, small t. You know the ratio comes out for monohybrid cross 3:1. Very simple. For next, okay, we are going to take, let's suppose, okay, violet and white. Okay, this is violet and white flower color. Okay, so this also segregate in the ratio, okay, 3:1, 3:1. Okay, so you have to do this way. Okay, so here this is for violet and white. Okay, now take another character, okay, and do the same way for the another character. So here also we have to take the pod shape. Okay, so here it can be full constricted. Okay, full constricted, full constricted, full constricted, smaller. Okay, here you also mention the ratio 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1. Okay, so here this is for full, okay, and this is for constricted. Okay, now you have to solve this. Okay, now first multiply this one. 3 3 3 3 is a 9, 3 27. Okay, so here we are going to have 27, capital T, capital V, capital F. Okay, tall, violet, full. Okay, now you multiply this. 3 3 1. Okay, 3 3 is 9. Okay, what will be? Tall, violet, okay, then constricted, small f. Then you solve this for this one. Okay, come to the tall. Okay, so here you take 3 1 3. 3 3 is 9. Okay, it will be tall, then small v, white, then this capital F, full. Then you take this 3 1 1. Okay, it will be 3. Okay, okay, so here 3 1 1. Okay, it will be tall, okay, small v, small f. Okay, so white, constricted. Okay, so you have solved this one. Open. Now come to this one. Okay, so here 1 3 3. Okay, so 3 3 is 9. Okay, so it will be small t, capital V, and F. Okay, it will be dwarf, violet, then full. Okay, then you take this one. 1 3 1. Okay, 3. Okay, it will be 3. Okay, so it will be small t, capital V, and small f. Okay, then you come to this one. This 1 1 3. It will be 3 1 1. It will be 3. So multiply each one. Okay, so it will come out. So small t, okay, small v, capital F. Okay, you can easily calculate the phenotype. Now at the last 1 1 1. Okay, so here it will be 1. Okay, small t, small v, small f. Okay, dwarf, okay, white, then constricted. So here now you can easily see what is going to be the ratio. Okay, it will be 27 ratio 9 ratio 9 ratio 3 ratio 9 ratio 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, hopefully you have learned how you can easily solve trihybrid cross by using fork line method. Yes, you can easily solve dihybrid cross using fork line method. You can solve upper crosses by using fork line method. Okay, so hopefully you have learned this method. Please do like, share the video. If you have any specific comment, then please do comment. Okay, and finally please do subscribe to my channel Correct Biology.